Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Manu and I am going to show you how to connect PIR sensor with Arduino. I have successfully elaborated all the step-by-step procedure in this video. So let's start. Today our required element is At first I discuss about PIR sensor. This is PIR sensor. Here is 3 pin. One number VCC, in middle pin is output, means digital output, and last pin is ground. Here is 2 variable resistance. One is this resistance for sensitivity and other resistance is for timing. Now connection is here. Ground connect with ground of Arduino. VCC connect 5 volt of Arduino, and OUT means output pin with connect any digital pin of Arduino. So I am doing connection. Now I am connecting with USB port with Arduino. Now I open the Arduino software. Okay, this is your code. At first I select the port already selected here, and now upload this code. Now upload is done. Open the serial monitor. Here we see all value is 1. Because PIR sensor sensitivity is operate, now I will put the sensor inside the mock and take some time for change the serial monitor with the serial monitor value. We need some time for change the serial monitor value.
Maybe some large.
Yes, value change and sensor sensitivity is 0 because sensor could not collect any sensitivity from outside, so that's why here all value is 0. Now I am making the security alarm by the sensor. Here we was declaring the 30 number pin for buzzer, so I connect the 30 number pin with buzzer. This is buzzer. This is positive leg and this is ground leg. Here has the symbol, positive symbol. So now 30 number pin connect with the positive. Third number pin always connect with positive, and ground connect with ground. Ground connect with ground of Arduino. Okay. Now again I open the serial monitor with 0. Now I free the sensor from this mob. Yes, this is value is 11111, and again I put the sensor inside the mob and need some time for change this value, which is buzzer is on at now because our condition is if P means the sensor value is 1, so buzzer is on. Now again 0. Now again move this mob very carefully. but I cannot because sensor sensitivity is operated on buzzer issue. So this is very simple project and this is very simple security system. You can, if you want, you can create this security alarm in your home. So no more today. Welcome back to watch the next video tutorial. Thank you and thank you very much.